We are at CCTV. This is the Tom's Karting, but we don't have the name put on it. We're gonna be making a lap with the frontal camera, showing you how it is the circuit. If you are coming to Tokyo, this is the only circuit that you can drive karting in Tokyo because it's electric. Also, we have competition cars, but both is mainly electric. So be ready to see how it is inside with the VIP room, with the installations. And next month, we're gonna be having a super crazy event here with Larry Chen and a lot of cars. It's gonna be 50 selected cars, including some really special from Tom's. So get ready to see the circuit.
I can see you're skeptical. You could have a little faith, it never killed nobody. What you waiting for? We're getting closer by the step, feels like it's just getting started.
We are here with Alex that has been working for Tom's in the karting. It's really difficult to find people talking English here. It's the only circuit in Tokyo.
Yes, it's the only circuit. All the other circuits is kind of like outside the Tokyo. Circuit has been open for 2 years. I think this is a really good starting point for people to get into motorsports.
They do have a really nice website that you can check everything that you need to know. They have also 30 free parking lots for people coming to do karting. Also, you can enjoy many other services. Check the website to see more information. They even built the circuit in Fortnite. I was thinking that they were electric, but I hear some engines.
Yeah. That's actually a pretty new thing. Like
I see.
Only few months ago, we just brought in like 10 engine cars.
They managed to allow you to drive engine car.
Yeah. So right now we have two options. You can do EV kart and you can also do engine kart.
Which one is faster?
Both have their differences. EV kart is more heavier, a little bit slow.
Let's do a lap together to see the lines on the circuit. Can you guess what are the 3 braking points on the circuit? You only have to brake in 3 corners. All the rest, lifting a little bit, it's more than enough. That are watching the video, they want to come. Any advice for them?
Don't die. Yeah. I mean, like karting is for everyone. So it's just you follow the rules and be respectful to other drivers, and that should be all.
I hear that there was some drifting event or karting that was possible to do drifting. It's still going on? No?
Not yet. Yeah. It's a good possibility that in the future we will have drifting event for karting.
We wish to have drifting. Then I will come every day.